Fellowship Covenant Ministries International is celebrating 10 years this July as we continue to empower entrepreneurs and those in the ministry.
So far, the power of connection and covering has been overwhelming. It's bringing ministries together, it's bringing people together, it's bringing the kingdom of God together. And with this, we've become united, making a bigger front to change the city, the country, and the world.
It's 3 conferences in one, even something for the children, and relevant topics for our youth.
It was so relevant because it talked on sex, it talked on things that focus on our everyday life, like the music we listen to, our peer pressure, those around us, things that involve our everyday lives.
And there's also workshops for adults on proven principles on how to succeed in the marketplace.
I just think it's wonderful. I think it's life-changing.
Gives you information about setting goals, pursuing your dreams.
Didn't know I was business-minded until they actually started speaking about it.
The word is just really taking root in our spirits, and we're definitely going to make some changes.
Make some positive changes in your ministry, business, and family at our international conference in July.